Welcome to this advanced guide to Monday.com column types, where we will explore the various column types available in Monday.com and how to use them effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work in a customizable and flexible way. Columns are a fundamental part of the platform, and they are used to store and display different types of data. There are several column types in Monday.com, including text, number, date, time, and more. The text column type is used to store short or long text, while the number column type is used to store numerical values. The date column type is used to store dates, and the time column type is used to store times. One of the most powerful column types in Monday.com is the formula column. This column type allows you to create custom formulas using data from other columns. For example, you can create a formula column that calculates the total cost of a project based on the cost of individual items. Another powerful column type is the drop-down column. This column type allows you to create a list of options that users can select from. For example, you can create a drop-down column that lists the different stages of a project, such as planning, execution, and completion. In addition to these column types, Monday.com also offers several advanced column types, including the people column, the phone column, and the email column. The people column allows you to assign tasks to specific people, while the phone and email columns allow you to store contact information. To get the most out of Monday.com column types, it's essential to understand how to use them in a way that makes sense for your team. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. First, make sure to use the correct column type for the data you are storing. For example, use a date column to store dates, rather than a text column. Second, use formulas and drop-downs to automate tasks and reduce manual entry. For example, you can create a formula column that automatically calculates the due date of a task based on the start date and duration. Finally, make sure to keep your columns organized and easy to understand. Use clear and concise names for your columns, and make sure to group related columns together. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Monday.com column types and take your team's productivity to the next level. In conclusion, Monday.com column types are a powerful tool that can help teams manage their work more effectively. By understanding the different column types available and how to use them, teams can automate tasks, reduce manual entry, and increase productivity. With the right column types and a little practice, teams can achieve their goals and take their work to the next level.